that you have explained all.
Okay, I'm going to present my screen to you all. Make sure you all are getting my screen to your screens.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my screen to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Chalo.
Oh,
Write all the factors of the following numbers. So we have to follow the numbers and we have to write the factors. Are you all getting my screen to your screen, girls?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Your screen is coming to our screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 24. કેવી રીતે કરવાના sums? જો અહીંયા આવી રીતે જો. First sum, for example, 24 is the number given. So આવી રીતે લખવાનું. 1 is the main table in which 24 will be there. 24 ones are 124s are 24. Okay. Then
6 fours are 24.
પેલો 6 આવે કારણ 2 ના table માં આવે. Yes, 2 12s are 24. Then what will be the smallest table other than this two? 3. 3 8s are 24. અહીંયાથી increasing number થાય છે, અહીંયાથી decreasing number થાય છે, કેમ કે smallest number will be 1 and the biggest number will be the number itself. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then after 3, table number 4 will be having
6.
24. 4 how many is 6 and a 5 માં તો આવે નહીં 24. So we have covered
Yes.
all the numbers between 1 and the number itself. Now these all are the
Yes.
factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? Factors of 24. Therefore, you have to write like this. Therefore, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, then 12, and 24. Have you understood how to write?
Yes, sir. Understood.
This is the method how we have to write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 8, 12, and 24 are the factors of 24. ખાલી આ જ લાઈન નથી factors. Even this also 6 ના ટેબલમાં આવે જ ને 24, 8 ના ટેબલમાં પણ 24 આવે, 12 ના ટેબલમાં પણ આવે ને 24 ના ટેબલમાં પણ આવે. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir. No doubt.
You feel any number that is uncomfortable to get the factors of? That number I'll solve it for you. કે બધા થઈ જશે તમારી જાતે. બોલો girls.
Now just
થશે ને દીકરા?
હા, sir.
Check here. If you want, you can have a screenshot of this answer column. Answer 1, all the sums. Screenshot પાડવો હોય તો પાડી લ્યો.
सर एनसीईआरटी में ये आंसर भी दिए हुए हैं।
Sorry?
वो एनसीईआरटी बुक है ना, उसके अंदर ये आंसर भी दिए हुए हैं।
I know that. Have you done? Have you taken the picture?
Yes.
Then now write first 5 multiples of 5 multiples કેવી રીતે થાય? 5 ones are 5, then 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Therefore, first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. આપણે લખવાનું કેવી રીતે? Like this. First 5 કીધું જ ને? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and it goes on. સમજાણું? Then you have to show at the end of the conclusion, you have to show like this. Therefore, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 are the first 5 multiples of a given number. Then you have to write for 8, and then you have to write for 9. છે કોઈને doubt તો કયો?
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure?
No, sir, no doubt. Very sure.
ચલો question number 3. હોશિયાર ક્લાસ છે અમારી આ 6D તો હોશિયાર ક્લાસ છે.
Thank you, sir.
ચલો question number 3. Match the items in column 1 with the column 2. Column 1 માં કેટલા numbers આપેલા? 35, 15, 16, 20, 20. And column number 2 માં multiple છે, factor છે, that is what we have to show. ચલો 35. Excuse me. 35 is what? Can anyone answer me? Come on. Multiples of 8 છે, multiple of 7 છે, multiple of 70 છે, factor of 30, factor of 50. Can I say multiple of 7? 7 ના ટેબલમાં 35 આવે છે.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, yes. Yes, sir.
15 is what? 15 is what? Can I say factor of 30? 13.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
16 is what? 16. Can I say multiple of 8?
Multiple of 8. Yes.
Yes, sir.
20 is what? 20. There is a printing error in this. Let us check the answer column here. I feel that there is a printing error. One nu B છે, second nu D છે, third nu A. Third A, okay. Fourth F. Fourth is F. That means factor of 20. અહીંયા 20 નહીં હોય, અહીંયા 60 હશે. Okay, there must be a printing error somewhere. And this 20 નહીં હોય, અહીંયા multiple of I don't think so it is multiple of anything. Just a second, there is an error. Textbook જોવી પડશે દીકરા. You check out the hard copy of the textbook, okay? PDF માં error છે બેટા. Fifth one is E. That means fifth one is E. That means this one will be 20. And fourth one is what? Fourth one, it shows that fourth one is F. That means fourth one, અહીંયા F આપેલું જ નથી. This is not there only. સમજાય છે બચ્ચે લોગ?
Yes. Yes, sir.
F1 is missing here, and this must be having some, even these two questions are same. There is an error over here also. So you do one thing, I will check this and I will let you know, okay? બાકી કેમ કરવાનું? Match the following. You understood the content, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Up
Understood
till
the
16.
concept.
Up till 16, it is all correct, huh? Last two only we are having doubt with. Up till 16, everything is good enough. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Then question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Find all multiples of 9 up to 100. આવડે કે નો આવડે?
Yes.
9 નો ટેબલ 100 સુધી બોલવાનો છે. I mean લખવાનો છે. લખો કે નથી લખવો? 9 ones are 9,
લખવો છે.
9 twos are 18. All multiples up to 9 up to 100 એટલે 100 સુધી જ્યાં સુધી 3 ડિજિટ માં ના આવે ત્યાં સુધી લખે જ જવાનું છે.
Okay,
Then
sir. 9
27,
threes are 27. 9
then
fours are 36.
very
9
good.
fives are 45. 9 six
Okay.
are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eight. 8 are 74. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 80.
Wait.
9 nines
Nine.
are 80.
Oi, છોકરીઓ. 9 8s are
72.
9 9s are
72. 81.
9 10s are
90.
9 11s are
99.
99.
only the answer. Up to 100 means what? We wrote up till 100. Can you see we have written here up till 100?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means our answer is over.
Yes, sir.
Find all the multiples. આ બધા એના multiples થયા. Up to 100. એટલે 99 સુધી જઈ શકાય આપણે. Check out here in the answer column.
Yes, sir.
Your exercise 3.1 is over. If you want, you can have the picture right here. Question number 1 નો તો answer ના લઈ લીધા ને. Question 2, 3, 4 લઈ લ્યો. Girls. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, chalo. Exercise 3.2. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? What is the sum of any two odd numbers?
Yes, sir. Repeat the question.
What is the sum of any two odd numbers? ગમે તે odd number હોય. For example, 3 plus 7. 3 is odd, 7 is odd. So answer will be always what?
10.
M. Answer will be always even number. Nonsense. 3 ને 7 દેખાડ્યો એટલે 10. 10 10 ગોખા કરે છે. Two odd numbers. These are the content what we have to study. Odd numbers બે ને add કરો તો આપણે always શું મળે? Even numbers. શું મળે?
Even numbers.
And when we add two even numbers, કયા numbers મળે આપણે?
Odd.
એમ. જો હોશિયાર છે ને? Extra હોશિયાર.
Even number is mother.
બે ઓડ માં even મળે તો બે even માં odd કહી દીધું સર ને.
Even.
થોડુંક મગજ નહીં ચલાવવાનું. If you are having two even numbers, the answer will be always even only. 2 plus 4 will be 6 only. કોઈ દિવસ 2 plus 4 7 કે 9 કે 3 કે 5 કે એવો નો આવે કોઈ દિવસ. But yeah, when you add two odd numbers, you will be always getting the numbers even. સમજાણું કે ન સમજાણું? સમજાણું કે ન સમજાણું? Girls,
સમજાણું. Understand me.
You understand, sir.
understood? Example
Yes, sir,
સાથે answer
understood.
Look
Yes,
here.
sir. Let's
Look here in the answer column.
Yes.
The sum of any two odd number is an even number. બરાબર? Example 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 5 is 8. Always ગમે ત્યારે જે કોઈ odd numbers હોય એને add કરો તો even જ આવે. Then the sum number B, the sum of any two even numbers is always an even number. For example, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. ક્યારેય કોઈ દિવસ odd number આવશે નહીં. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Chalo, very good. Question number 2. Who will read this question one by one?
Can I Muskan?
Muskan, please.
Yes. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number A. The sum of 3 odd number is even.
Sum of 3 odd numbers. Any 3 odd numbers. આ ત્રણેયને એડ કરો તો even આવશે આન્સર.
No. False.
Odd number.
If we add any 2 odd numbers, it will be even. But any 3 numbers, it will be even.
No.
False.
False.
If you add any 3 odd numbers, it will be always an odd number. Let me clear you. કોઈ પણ odd numbers, 3 odd numbers ને add કરશો તો it will be always an odd number. સમજાણું? even નહીં આવે. સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Second.
We are understanding.
હું right or wrong કરીશ. Wrong means false and right means true. Okay, you have to write in that fair book true or false.
Okay.
Chalo, question number
Okay,
B.
sir. The sum of 2 odd numbers and 1 even number is even.
હવે 2 odd numbers will be answer as what? If we add 2 odd numbers, the answer will be what?
Even number.
Even.
Even
And
number.
one even number is even.
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Chalo, third one.
Yes, sir. The product of 3 odd number is odd.
The product of 3 odd number is odd. चलो बोलो बेटा.
True.
True.
True. True.
It is true.
True.
Have it the false, true, true.
Yes, sir.
Product of any 3 odd numbers will be odd only. Product means what? Multiplication. There are multiply.
Yes.
Sums means what? When we add. Chalo, fourth one.
Yes. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd.
Quotient એટલે શું બેટા? It can be quotient also and it can be said quotient also. Okay. So for example,
Okay.
if an even number, for example, we take 10. Okay. So 2 is an even number, right? An even
Yes,
number is
sir.
divided by 2. That means 10 is even number divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So quotient શું આવ્યું? Quotient means the જેનાથી divide થયું હોય ને એને શું કહેવાય? Quotient કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય?
Quotient.
Or you can say quotient. Both are same. is always odd, that is wrong. કેમ કે જો આપણે 10 છે આ 12 લીધું હોય 10 ની જગ્યાએ તો 2 6 આ 12 થાય, so 6 is even number. સમજાય છે? So always odd is a wrong statement. Yeah, sometimes in one or two cases we get the odd number, but not every time. Are you getting? સમજાય
Yes,
છે?
sir. Getting. Yes, yes.
So if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is not always odd. False. Always odd નથી હોતું. ચલો next.
Yes, sir. All prime numbers are odd.
All prime numbers are odd.
No, false.
False. There is one number which is even. That is also a prime number. સમજાય છે?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And બધા prime numbers, yeah, it is false. જો આન્સર કોલમમાં ચેક કરી લ્યો ભાઈ. E is false. દેખાણું?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
chalo. Then prime number do not have any factors.
False.
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 Prime
False.
number or composite number hoy. Even prime number has the factors. There are two factors. That is 1 and the number itself. Right?
Yes.
Then some number G.
Sum of two prime numbers is always even.
False.
Sum of two
False.
prime number is always even.
False.
False.
False. Yes. કેમ કે 2 સાથે તમે 3 ને એડ કરો તો it will be 5. 2 is the only even prime number.
False.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
false.
No, right.
2 is the only even prime number. બીજા તો કોઈ even છે જ નહીં.
Yes.
Which is prime number. So all even numbers are composite numbers. Girls,
Yes. No, all even numbers are composite numbers. False.
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 yes.
False.
Even numbers are composite number. We can understand, but 2 is the number which is even, but that is not the composite number. So all even numbers न લખી શકીએ. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes, sir.
The product of two even numbers is always even.
True.
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 True. Yes, true. So our question number 2 of true or false is completed. Chalo, question number 3. Who will read?
Sir, Adia Fatima.
Ha, Fatima, chal.
The number 13 and 31 are prime number. Both those numbers have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime number up to 100.
સમજાય શું કહેવા માંગે? હું false. કઈ true or false થોડું છે? Thirteen and 31. બરાબર? 13 and 31 are prime numbers. તો બેમાં digit શું છે? 1 and 3 છે. એવી કેટલી પેર છે up to 100 માં? Can I say 17 and 71? Can I say 19 and 91?
Yes,
સમજાય છે
sir.
કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. We are understanding.
Check here. 91 नहीं आवे 19 ને 91 नहीं आवे बेटा सॉरी 91 આવે છે એક ટેબલમાં check here 17 and 71 is one pair 37 and 73 is the pair 79 and 97 is one pair so 17 and 71 are the common numbers 1 and 7 37 and 73 are common numbers 3 and 7 7 9 and 9 7 again common number 7 and 9 according to the question 1 3 3 1 1 and 3 the common digit
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any doubt with question number 3
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
No, sir, no
No,
doubt.
sir, no doubt.
Sir, now we have to write
No
in
doubt.
Fairbook the
Hello, write down separately the prime numbers and composite number less than 20 separately લખવાના છે હા બોલો
Sir, we have to write now in Fairbook.
કોઈ દિવસ મેં કીધું છે અત્યારે લખો તમે યુઝલેસ ગર્લ સિરિયસલી હાવ નાની બેબી હોય ને આમ બીજી ત્રીજી ધોરણમાં એવા એવા એક્ટિંગો કરે છે ખરેખર અત્યારે કોઈ પણ બુકમાં લખવાનું હોય have I asked you to write anything in any book at the present moment prime numbers and composite numbers so what are the prime numbers less than 20 so prime numbers less than 20 are 2 3 5 then 7
Nine.
11 13
16.
17 and 19 are the prime numbers less than 20 and composite numbers are 4 6 8 9 10
10,
12
12,
14
15, 16, 18.
18.
18.
any doubt here
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
so your answer number 4 is covered here check out answer number 4 prime numbers and composite numbers આપણો ને એનો આન્સર ટેલી કરી લ્યો is that clear
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is clear.
chalo question number 5 what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 can anyone tell me
9.
9 is a prime number very good તો અહીંયા કેમ prime number નો લખ્યો આપણે 9 ને હે 9 ને prime numbers માં આવું જોવે ને તારી કીધે 9 prime number છે તો what is prime number પ્રાઇમ નંબર એટલે શું મૂંગી મૂંગી નો બેટ જલ્દી બોલવા માંડ હલો
हाँ सर. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the prime number? Useless girls. Yes sir કરીને ઊભી રહી જાય છે.
2.
Two?
7.
Oy, chokri, I
Seven.
want the definition of a prime number. ચલો ભાઈ ડેફિનેશન જાણીને આવજો પછી આપણે કાલે કન્ટિન્યુ કરશું ઓકે હેવ અ નાઇસ ટાઈમ ગર્લ્સ ચલો if you will not be able to answer me this then you have to do this chapter by your own there is of no use of continuing the lecture ખાલી કાંઈ ભાગાભાગી કરવાથી ને કોર્સ કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાથી કાંઈ નથી થઈ જતું
Sir, can
હેવ
I
અ નાઇસ
tell
ટાઈમ
you?
ગર્લ્સ
Sir,
Sorry?
can I tell?
yes
I
yes
listen. A number that is divisible only by itself.
ખાલી itself એટલે એક જ ફેક્ટર્સ આવે એનો એક જ આવે
No, two factors. One and
One and itself.
yes.
the number itself.
Very good. The prime numbers are the numbers whose factors are only two, or we can say which has only two factors, that is one and the number itself. And the next thing we can say that a number is divisible by only a number itself or a one. Okay, that all numbers are said to be prime numbers. So 9 is the biggest prime number according to you, correct? 9 is the biggest prime number, બરાબર ને 9 મોટામાં મોટો prime number થયો ને prime number છે ને 9 હે ને
No.
who was that girl who said that 9 is a prime number? Who was that girl?
Iman Fatima.
So 9 is a prime number, બરાબર ને
No, sir.
so 9 is what?
Sir, it is a composite number.
Composite number. So answer me this question, right? What is the greatest prime number less than 10? What is the greatest prime number
Seven.
between 1 and 10?
7.
7 is the greatest prime number. Very good. So
7.
we have completed our exercise 3.2 up till question number 5. All the sums to be done in your fair book. And one time that all sums to be repeated in your rough book as your homework.
Okay,
Sir,
We are going to
sang
continue from
Dr.
question
James
number 6 in our next lecture. Okay?
okay, sir.
Sir,
Chalo,
you
have a nice
sang
time. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health, everyone. Enjoy your last lecture. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir. Have a beautiful day. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Why I am not sharing? Muskan.